Last week, we released Modal. Modal is our first product for personalization. It's a reward-driven memory system. Basically, it achieves state-of-the-art in multiple public benchmarks. It's multimodality, means it's true flexibility. You can deal with video, images, audios, but also live streaming. So today we created this notebook to show you how to set up multimodality, but also to show you the power of it. So the first part is the setup. Super easy. You can go create an API key in our website. And I created a persona called Mark Cuban. A persona is basically what we want to personalize to align with a specific persona. In this case, it's Mark Cuban. He's a Shark Tank US judge. To show you the power of the system, basically we ingested into our system a Shark Tank video of two founders. Remember the faces, remember the context, and basically they're pitching something called SOAR, which is a physical therapy soap for athletes. So in one line, we actually gave this video to our system for processing. When the processing is done, we can start playing around. The first and simple concept, we can start asking text questions. So in the perspective of Mark Cuban. So what are the sales? Give me the numbers. You can see in under 2 seconds, we didn't need to reprocess the video. We identify who spoke and we identify the response of our answer. The second part is where the personalization comes. We can say generate an image of Mark and David shaking hands. Basically what our system is doing, we're identifying who we're speaking about, so sort of the entities, so Mark and David, we're understanding the context, and we're creating context and personalizing the generation to align with the specific persona, which is Mark Cuban. In this case, we'll be able to recreate the image of Mark and David with the exact replica of both individuals and personalized for the context of where the initial video was. So you can see we personalize Mark in a shirt and David, and you see it looks just like David for their product called SOAR in a Shark Tank context. So we identify, we contextualize, and then we personalize the generation. This is only the beginning. What we can do, which is really powerful, we can actually go from an image. So I screenshotted the two founders pitching, no context, just this image. I gave this as an input, and I also asked what are they both presenting without mentioning their names, without mentioning who they are, without mentioning anything about the context, about what they're doing. So, and I asked to get the output as an audio. So you can see in around 7 to 8 seconds, now we're generating a personalized audio explaining what our both individual in this picture is doing. I'll play the results.
Looks like Dr. Dan Stotz and David Restiano are presenting. They're pitching their product SORX soap, which combines physical therapy muscle scraping with essential oil soap to help with recovery.
So basically what happened, we understood who the people are in the picture. We understood what the context is about what we're asking. We injected and contextualized the prompt, but we also personalized the generation. And what's super powerful, you can go from any modality to any modality. It's like in any to any relationships. You can feed in multiple videos, not only one, and you can create this personalization of a persona. We're super excited. This is currently live, so you can start using it, and please feel free to reach out.